In the outer wastes of northeastern Missouri lies I-35 Speedway, where dust rules the air, where the pits really live up to their name, and where orange cones seem to multiply from thin air. 5 warriors gather. They come from distant lands like Kansas City and Overland Park, and also Kansas City again. So prepare and make ready for adventure as we determine who will win, who will lose, and most importantly, who will survive. The Fit Off! I think it's round 3 or maybe 4. This one's going to be Rallycross though. There's a few of them. You should subscribe and check them all out. I think, it's starting now. For you viewer who is not familiar with Rallycross, these intrepid warriors mount up their stallions to battle with demons in the dirt, weaving their way through unique courses set up using cones. They seek not one fastest time of day, but rather overall cumulative time. Thwarted by penalties from hit cones and missed gates, their goal? Achieve a total time lower than that of their competition. The spectacle of this day will be made all that much more special by the presence of not 1, not 2, but 3 of God's own chariots, the venerable hondafit, also known as the Honda Jazz if you happen to live in a mystical faraway land. Anyway, what I was saying was, there are 3 Hondafits. Ryan-san's GD3 Honda Fit, piloted by Ryan-san and Brian-san. Ian-san's GE8 Honda Fit, piloted by Ian-san and Hudson-san. And finally, Courtney-san's GK5 Honda Fit, piloted by Courtney-san. And no one else. All fits were similarly prepared and spec'd, except for that of the cheater, Ryan-san.
You have offended my ancestors with your accusations.
We would quickly find out that he would not be alone in his deceit. Several others had the intention of undermining the sanctity of our great contest. Luckily, Eric-san, the fairness Sherpa, brought his A-game. What is that, a motorcycle exhaust and these tires?
This is an outrage. I am now outraged. You have made me very, very angry.
I don't get paid enough. After all tires and grievances were aired, lug nuts were tightened, suspension adjusted, and the throne had been consulted. Ian-san sought counsel from a higher power. Red Wizard, we have traveled many a weary mile to seek your wisdom. Larry Fuchsius say, buck, you are chicken. Run away you have from modified rear-wheel drive, for you fear my power. Correct you are, Larry Fuchsius. I have avoided this confrontation, as I am frightened and weak-willed. What kind of example are you for your children? I told Larry something.
Look out! Dragon! Dragon!
Well, would you look at that? As I was saying, the mighty Goblin will return next season to destroy the Red Wizard. What thoughts have you on these matters? Ja? A honey ham sandwich? I am unsure why we speak to you.
Come, let us survey the course. My strategy on this day will be to slide more and to worry less.
Ryan-san, this seems highly inappropriate.
Nothing. Velocity plus mass divided by the coefficient.
I trust you not.
Doink. Over there in that dry creek bed, I found a Shoshone arrowhead.
All right, you primitive screwheads, listen up. Who wants noogies?
Right here, Chief.
I knew. Oh, you as well. Uh-huh. And one more, it seems.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
All of you should see me after class. Now has come the time for the speaking of the rules. I am the rule master. All shall call me thus. Rule number 1, no one touches my seat position, or I will ruin you. Rule number 2, keep an eye out for the dragon, because if we see him again, it's game over.
We will protect the course with our lives.
Rule number 3, everybody take 2 steps back. You're all too close. You're too close to me. Look at him. Look at how close he is. Hudson-san, observe the course. Too many cones. Too much dust. I'm starting to question the validity of this contest. Ryan-san has already shown through his actions that he... Hudson-san, you have used witchcraft to change seats. Are you a demon?
I have my ways.
First Ryan-san, and now you. You unwet fish. Oh, here we go, round 1. This is where they race. I'm so excited. Oh, right. Our lots drive just as
fast as the next guy, but this is goddamn ridiculous. It's so fast out there that I can't even keep my head on straight.
Wicked.
Going on.
Yeah, I rock and roll all night long. Sweet Susie.
My current times are a direct reflection of the sadness in my heart.
As we reach the sacred midday break, I bring you an update on the standings of the Fint competition. Ryan-san leads the way, with Brian-san close behind, both wielding the mighty GD3 Honda Fit. They are followed by the GE8 Fit, with Ian, and Hudson-san holding third and fourth place. Courtney-san follows in the honorable GK5 Fit. However, in modified front-wheel drive, former Fit competitor Niles-san stands as a formidable foe, commanding a powerful lead in his EK Civic hatchback. And with the standings revealed, we enter the sacred lunchtime feast, a moment to honor our ancestors and also destroy several all-beef hot dogs. Deviled eggs for wisdom, beer of root for spiritual enlightenment. May these foods replenish our strength, repair our broken dignity, and prepare us to strap back in for the afternoon battle.
Brian-san, the path to victory is simple. On the straightaways, steer wildly. The Fit respects chaos.
Okay.
And when approaching a corner, do not brake early, do not brake late. Just brake constantly. All the time.
Capiche?
Now that we have feasted, let us take a tour of the grid. Brian-san, I see you. I have my eye on you. Ah, a rare sight, an unruined Nissan 350Z. No underglow even. And behold, here we have a clear cheater, sucking extra air and no doubt nitromethane through this highly illegal port. Disgraceful. And here, a legitimate stage rally machine, built for power, fury, and terrifying repair bills. Definitely not stock. Definitely not legal. Definitely glorious. And here we have Julian-san, who is in fact a Muppet.
Wah, wah, wah.
Exactly. And finally, the GK Honda Fit, piloted by Courtney-san. Your driving is a grease stain on the history of all motorsports. Rude, but fair. Brian-san, how feel you as we enter afternoon runs? Shmoo? I think this is the final round. This is really anyone's race. You know, I like Brian because he's the cutest. Oh wait, here we go. Before me lies a sea of cones, a virtual cone-acopia. They are surely multiplying through sorcery, or perhaps procreation. Orion-san, do you believe there are too many cones on this course?
Too many cones for you, perhaps. For me, the number is perfect. Maybe steering is difficult for you. I do not struggle with such things. Brian-san! Are you trying to sabotage me? Do not disrupt my chi! I must maintain balance! One bump can shatter the essence of speed!
First time, hit hand.
Rock solid, brother!
I envy your musk.
Okay, I think they're done racing now, so maybe this is the part where they talk about who won and who didn't win, but no, never mind. It looks like something else. Our racing for the day is complete. Now we must take our appointed place on the course and serve our time in honor of our fellow competitors. Only then may we tend to our wounds and celebrate whatever victories we manage to claim.
down. I said turn it down. Competitors, gather. I have watched your driving, your courage, and most importantly, your buttocks. Yes, your buttocks. Many of you possess weak buttocks, fragile buttocks, untrained buttocks. With buttocks such as these, how can one hope to be a champion? Anyway, here's the awards. First, the award for not touching my seat goes to all of you. Your restraint pleases me and my seat remains unbuttocked. This is honorable. Second, the award for slaying the dragon goes to no one, because the dragon was not slain. Poor Tom was killed instantly. Sorry. And finally, the winner of the completely official fit-off competition, Ryan-san, in his mighty GD3 Honda Fit.
Thank you.
Do not pose like that. Your posture dishonors your own buttocks.
Let us begin the interviews. Prepare yourselves. I certainly have not. Courtney-san, solid win in your class today. Any words for the fit-off audience? Your driving continues to disappoint me. Thank you for that. Hudson-san, what wisdom did you gain today?
I became ready, then unready, then re-ready.
A powerful journey, indeed. Brian-san, what did you think of today's course?
Would you just say too many cones? Just say it, say it!
Too many coons. Finally, someone who agrees. I'll pay you later. Now, Ryan-san, any deep thoughts about your cheating or driving today?
There was no cheating, only speed and the engineering perfection of the GD3 Honda Fit.
Could you please stop praising the car that beat me?
I cannot. The Honda Fit is magnificent, nimble, efficient. The gods themselves bow down to the Honda Fit.
Ryan, is there anything else that you must say to your adoring fans?
Yes. Go out and find your own apex, because it is better late than never.
That, sir, is my line.
Yes.
Unbelievable. All right, let's shag ass. Good beef. Good, they're gone now. About our secret plans. I was thinking that we could... Oh, great. Perfect. We set out to make a video about the beauty and majesty of the Honda Fit, and we parked next to a friggin' Cybertruck.
I will retrieve the flammable liquids.
There's got to be a match around here somewhere, a mountain filled with lava, or a rocket launcher.
Ham sandwich.
Enough with the ham sandwich, Brian-san. Actually, I could go for a ham sandwich. The deviled eggs are starting to wear off.
Tachibana Ukyo.